Papalitan po ng judge. 9 judges for court 1, Alex and George.
Yes.
Balik mo yan tumigas.
PSG versus Luigi de la Cruz and G. Ponce de Leon, SBL. Number 2, Simon and Kat, Jojo and Vic. 9 judges, Lian and Ronald.
Sunod. Gumana lang eh.
Unog sa inyo.
May dugo yung sayo?
100 plus
Dito, para pa.
Ikay kabutang niya?
Reyes is 60 plus 50 times tama.
Players for court number 6. Court number 6, Philip and Ferns, PBB versus Richmond and Joey, SPR. Court number 6, Philip and Ferns, PBB versus Richmond and Joey, SPR. 9 judges for court number 6, Jen and Ernesto.
Yang baik ako ano?
Players for court number 7, Daniel Puentevilla and Catherine Moredo versus Carla Karin and Yanni Gonzalez. Players for court number 7, Daniel and Catherine versus Carla and Yanni. 9 judges for court number 7, Noli and Alex. Announcing mixed doubles D-Pack 24. Mixed doubles D-Pack 24. Number 1, Francis Navarez and Arlene Soriales of Black Lockers. Number 2, Jake Bonjo and Joanna Medel of Black Lockers. Number 3, Melvin Deloso and Mice Antonino of Black Lockers. Number 4, Stanley C. and Anna Costa of Tigua. Number 5, Drake Lopez and Ina Valentino of Pinas G. Number 6, John Oriado and Sarah Rudan of PRPP. Number 7, Bobby Amurao and Carl Amurao of SPL. Number 8, Jose Marco Cortez and James Apiso of SPR. Number 9, Eric Pagan and Admiral Marley of PSS and East Smashers. Number 10, John Placido and Janet Gaviran of PBB. Number 11, Kevin C. and Mitch Ramos of Tigua. Number 12, Jerry Estrella and Ivory Rodriguez of Bad Millions. Number 13, Nante Alvarez and Che Alvarez of DNH. Number 14, John Carino and Roger Joyce of Pasap of SBL and Sumon. Number 15, Ryan Caneras and Ray Santos of SBR.
Okay. Sige.
Number 16, Joel Malavis and Christine Herona of Texas. Number 17, Gilbert Arevalo and Jennifer Nacario of PRBD. Number 18, Jose Villa Jr. and April Vergara of SBR. Number 19, Raymond Vicente and Lucilin Pinedo of Team Palitaw. Number 20, Renzo Robles and Charlotte Argudia of PSG. Number 21, William Nam and Bianca Perorada of PSS. Number 22, Jane Asino and Anna Carlos of PSG. Number 23, Frederick Ricaforte and Lorna Ricaforte, independent players. And number 24, Ryan Guerrero and Abby Baraveda of PSG. Players for court number 6, Premier Hall, Manuel Karim and Diani Gonzalez versus Sean Tugano and Martin Tugano Kaya Gabis. Court number 6, Premier Hall, Manuel Diani versus John and Laika. Line judges James Pagulayan and Kylie Suruharos. Players for court number 8, M. Chaco and Josephine Bautista versus Frederick Esperagosa and Sheila Salaki. Players for court number 8, Ed and Josephine versus Fred and Sheila. Nine judges for court number 8, Rachel and Nancy. Players for court 6, Premier Hall, Russell Pagdavan, Rhea Kapala, Kaya Badix versus Andrew Elden and Claire Pagdia Igwa.
Lagi muna na yun.
Russell Cordovan, Rhea Kapala, Kaya Badix versus Andrew Elden and Claire Pagdia. Yun po tinawag ko kanina, Raquel and John and Laika sa susunod pong game.
Ay!
Players for Premier Court 1, Derek Reminder po sa mga players na tinawag, pag nasa court na po kayo, i-approach nyo na po yung umpire na kayo na yung naglalaro. Hindi po kayo kilala ng mga umpire. Hindi po magpakilala.
Dapat siya. Siya yung contact dun.